Please close your eyes.
I don't like this.
Jonathan, put your hand in front of his face.
Oh, should we do this?
Oh, man.
Let me see your forehead.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, you messed it up.
Oh, my God. Oh.
Does it hurt?
This is the fucking thing we've ever done. Look, that was his eye with his eye. That was his eye with his eye, man. Oh, man. Oh, God damn. I felt it hit me in the face, and then I reached up and it stuck it out of my head.